Everyone. Actually, I am not the expert as same as company's person in this field, but I have some experience. Only I would like to share those experience with you. So first, I would like to take only 10 minutes to introduce yourself, and because I have seen so many new faces from the districts. So just I want to know name and post and the court where you are.
Stenographer grade 2. Mangan and district sessions and district and sessions for Mangan.
Hello.
Daisy Rajabramari, stenographer grade 3 and
Avinash Thapa, Junior Librarian, District and Sessions Court, Namchi. Abdul Mahid, Librarian, High Court of Sikkim.
Vijit Seth, Stenographer grade 1, District and Session Court, Namchi. Lakshman Pradhan, Junior Librarian, Jothang Sub Division Court, Namchi. Ashish Shankar Sunar, Stenographer grade 3 in the Court of Law at Civil Judge cum Judicial Magistrate, Gyalsing District.
Norkit Lepcha, stenographer grade 3, Mangan Court. Sanidisha Century, Junior Librarian, District Court, Canton.
Pravesh Rai, Junior Librarian, District and Session Court, KG.
Arjun Sharma, Junior Librarian, District and Sessions Court, Sorry.
Monita Supa, stenographer grade 2, District and Sessions Court, Sorry.
Myself, Menuka Chitri, Peshkar grade 3, attached to District and Sessions Court, Sorry. Rai, stenographer, District and Session Court, Sorry.
Miraj Karki, District in Charge, District and Sessions Court, Sorry.
Sir, Kunchok Namgil Sherpa, Yang Subdivisional Courts.
Yang Ziguru, stenographer grade 3, Wrongly Subdivision. Eden Lamupotia, Junior Librarian, Subdivisional Court, Rangpur.
Cheong Tashilapotia, Junior Librarian, Parking District.
Thank you. To be majority is from stenographer category. So I prepared this schedule. Our training session will be based on this. So let's start with SCC Online. First, home page of SCC Online will be shown like this. You just click here in the login button, then you enter your password, username and password. Now we have login SCC Online. So these are the features of SCC Online. So first, keyword search is a normal. From here we can search everything, but it may take some time if the topic is not matched with the features given in other features also. So here we can search a case laws by typing the title of the case. For example, please tell any case of Supreme Court. The result is showing another case. So if you find such situation, please go down, and the case we have searched was Kesavananda Bharti versus State of Kerala. You see here. You can go here by clicking here. Sometimes while doing some research, if result is showing like this, we get confused. So please calm and go down. You you will find that case. Here is the case of another party. This is the quorum. This is 13 judges benches of Supreme Court of India. Then you can type here. For example, some judges assign you some topic. For example, if such text is very small, you can put that in within double inverted comma, so that the exact phrase may be matched with the judgment where this phrase is written. So I will try one. Don't type so many words. So search here. Actually, I want to know name of the rape victim should not be disclosed. So I put it only few words. Let's see what results come. Pro select. I am using in pro select. So we always click here, all results. Sometimes we type many things, we search many things, but result is not as much satisfactory. So this is the result. Keep the option in all results. Now, first Jharkhand High Court, second Jammu and Kashmir. So I think here in paragraph number 6, the exact phrase name of rape victim, each page. So if our text which we are going to search is exactly matched with the judgment, then that judgment will be shown here. So here in keyword search, you can search everything as we done in Google search. So next, I would like to go here, find content by section. This is related to act. This citation is very easy. If we know the citation, we can search that particular citation. Nowadays, SEC online citation is more preferred by lawyers, so that will be seen here. Here, so many judgment, law journals citations are given here. So we can select that. This is very easy. All knows this. Then so I would like to give another citation. Is very simple. And in party name, find by party name, you need to select this specific court. Either that judgment will be from the Supreme Court, any other high courts. So you just select one high court, Supreme Court, which you want. Suppose I would like to search one case from Sikkim High Court. I have selected Sikkim High Court. Then one case from Sikkim High Court, for example, Nil Kumar Dahal. Here we need to put both the parties, petitioner and respondent. We know them. Only one party should be given. So in cases like state of Sikkim versus so and so. So if we put state of Sikkim, that result will be so many cases will be shown here. So instead of putting state of Sikkim, the other party, for example, state of Sikkim versus Suren. So you should prefer the name Suren instead of typing state of Sikkim. This is how we can search, find case. Here two cases, which is our target. You should select that. For example, I would select this. You can just double click there, then that judgment will be open. Here, for the stenographers, one copy of option is there. I think for printing, all are aware of that provision. First, you click here, then this window will show. The judgment will be downloaded here. Net is very slow. Sometimes pop-up are also low, so you need to open that pop-up. So this is the judgment. you can print directly or download here. Here all subjects are given here. Only we need to apply our mind. The topic which we are searching is related to which subjects. So for example, I am selecting this, expanding this. You can expand this administrative law. Then here judicial review. Under administrative law, judicial review, generally nature and scope. And if you want judgment, you can click here, getting the results. So on the left side, you can see digest note about this phrase, or if you want this word phrase is defined in some judgments also, then you can go judgments only, and in acts and rules you can go here. So everything, notification, circulars, state notification, these all are saved because of this, all results. So we can select or we can refine, we can go deeply to a particular area. So Udem generis, what concept, basis of rules of Udem generis explain. So here means, the Latin expression Udem generis, which means everything we can get here also. Instead of going to words and phrases, as earlier I have told you, this keyword search is the Google search. Everything can get from here. Books are given here by name. You can select. Here we don't need to type anything. We can select from here. Any law reports, which, so for example, Consumer Protection Journal, CPJ. If we expand this, year-wise. For example, sometimes we are unable to know the exact citation. Some judges assign it may be in 2025 or in 2024 year may be given. So it may take some time to we can go here. In 2025, how many reports are there? For the librarian and for readers and law clerks, this may not necessary. Browse legislation. And for readers also it requires. Sometimes our BRX are very old edition. So if we want to check a particular section of a statute is amended or not, what is the latest position of that particular section? So we can go here, Central Acts and Rules. For us, Central Acts and Rules of India is necessary. How many times this specific relief has been amended will shown here. Only in 2018. So we can check by clicking this amendment. In district court also, judges is asking for this particular amendment. You can get PDF from the Google also, but that is not as much, may not be up to date as provided here. The SEC online team is looking in this particular area also. They are giving all the amendments up to date information, so we can rely on this. And this is about the particular amendment of 18. Then if we want the exact amended act, you just click here, Specific Relief Act 1963. This is the amended one. Act 47 of 1963 as amended up to Act 34 of 19. This 34 of 19 is that Amendment Act of 2018. Year is 18, but this is came into force in 2019. So every in here all the amendments are incorporated. See, in section 10, 5 is given here. If we put the cursor here, the information is also given. Substituted by Act 18 of 2018 with effect from 1/10/2018. So this all informations are getting here. We can take the benefit of this particular browse legislation features. And for articles, sometimes judges or higher officers are going to deliver some lectures, some program. For that purpose, they are assigned us to take out some materials on a specific topic. So you can get use of this browse article. The website article, law review journals, blogs, reports, written submission, topic overviews, collected essays, Tagore law lectures. So mainly we can prefer these law review journals. Please expand this. We can go to a specific law journals, law reports. Then we need to find our relevant topics. Browse secondary materials. Here one of the most important thing is bills in parliament. So for a particular statute, sometimes judges ask what is the object and reasons of this particular act. That statement of objects and reasons will get only in the bills. Remember this. So for the query of that bills, statement of object and reasons, you can use this feature. Please expand this. Here, introduced in Lok Sabha, introduced in Rajya Sabha, passed by Lok Sabha, passed by Rajya Sabha. By expanding this, we can get the bills. For example, passed by Rajya Sabha. If we expand this in 2025, in 2024, in a particular year, which are the bills passed by the Rajya Sabha will be available here. So please use these all features when you get some tasks on such basis. Don't go to Google directly. You can use this also. This is much better than. But sometimes in these bills, the main thing, the statement of object and reasons may not be available also. This may be in another format also. So main statement of object and reasons is given in the bills notified in the government gazette, central government gazette. Recently I have noticed one specific relief amendment bill 2018 was not available here. But actually Amendment Act, Specific Relief Amendment Act was placed in the form of bill in 2017. So the copies of Gazette published in Government Gazette was not available here. So I will show you how to search that bill in another form. Please divert from SCC Online for just one moment. You search in Google e-Gazette. Please go to this e-Gazette, Government of India, Gazette of India. All the gazettes are available here. So please go to Gazette directory. Then here Gazette category is given, part and section is given, that year is given. So here we need another research. We need to know bills are published in which section of Gazette. I don't know, there are so many sections in, you may see also section 2, part 1, section 3, part 2, like that in Gazette. They have assigned, segregated all the gazettes. This gazette should be published in this section, these are in another section. So if you know bills are published in which section, please select here category extraordinary. Then for your information, bills are published in section 2 part 2 here. Section 2 part 2, please select this, and here gazettes of 2017 published in extraordinary part 2 section 2 will be shown here. Please go to these subjects here. This act may be called the Specific Relief Act 2017, but it is published in 2018. Then for this click on this PDF symbol, bill number 248 of 2017, but published in Extraordinary Part 2, Section 2. So for here, bill is here, then you can see this statement of objects and reasons. Why this Specific Relief Act is amended? Your answer will be provided by this statement of objects and reasons. So this is how you can search any Gazette of India or any bill from here also. Then for your information, what are the sections of Gazette of India, you can just search in Google also. Please keep this page on your desk. Sometimes it may require. Here, Act and Ordinances and Regulations, Part 2, Section 1. Where is it? Part 2, Section 2, Bills and Reports of Select Committee on Bills. So please keep this information with you also. And anytime you can search check in Google. By using this, you can search Gazette in e-Gazette section. Now come back to this SSC Online. This is of secondary materials is also very useful. And one, browse judgments by court or tribunals. Here, please expand this. Here we need to type anything. Only we expand this. I would like to search one case of Supreme Court year 2022, 2026. Block of years are given. So some judge says there was one judgment passed in 2025 November. Case title is All India Judges Association case. He doesn't know exact date. So in this situation we can use these features. In 2025 November, so please expand this 2025. These dates are those dates Supreme Court passes some judgments on these dates. So we don't know the exact date. It will take some time. We need to expand each date for searching that all India Judges Association case. From here you can get that judgment also. But instead of wasting time, instead of using this in this situation, you can go to directly on Find by Party. There are so many features. We can search by using one feature and another feature also. Here, Supreme Court. Please select Supreme Court, then party name, All India Judges Association. If we face some problems like this, you can go back to keyword search also. The judges is asking about 27 July 2022, then we can click here. If it is for 2024, we can check that there is there any judgment or pass on 2024 November. We can check also from here. This is how we can search that particular judgment. And for browse judgments by court, if you know the month or date, then we can search very easily from browse judgments by court or tribunals. Please expand these high courts. Maximum, sometimes in district court, high court judgments are also required. Nowadays, new judgments are also uploaded in our website also. If you want reported one high court judgment reported in SSC Online, in that situation you need to search from here also. In our website, SEC citation is not given there. So please select expand this Sikkim High Court. Definitely please tell me one judgment of Her Ladyship passed in 2024 or 25, one particular date. There is one judgment of Her Ladyship passed in December 2024 on such date. That type of query is coming. You can use like this. Now we are unable to recall any date, specific date. So please, if you know that date, particular date, you can search from here. Future Gaming Solutions India Private Limited versus Union of India. This judgment and State of Sikkim versus Pratiksha Rai. These two cases are pronounced in 27 November 2024 in Sikkim High Court. So if you need to find one judgment, State of Sikkim versus Pratiksha Rai, decided on 27 November 2024. If you get that information, you can go to this particular features and very easily you can find out this judgment. We need to select a particular treatise. Please expand. Here alphabetical given. So we need to search any particular treatise. According to that title, you can expand that belongs to which alphabet, India and Austria, India and Australia, between which countries the treatises are having signed. So for these are very rare cases, in very rarely searched materials. So these provisions are here, given here. We can take the benefit of these features also. These are the main features of SEC Online. Any query on regarding this SEC Online? Take queries is answer sabran de one case is needed. Please go to this. Even if you know the citation of that judgment, please don't go to citation search. If you search in citation by citation, the overall information with the information which is that case is overruled or not, that will be not available. Only the judgment will be shown there if you search by citation. So please search always by party name for having that information. So I will take one example. Union of India versus Bhanudas Krishna Gaude. In Manupatra, this is very easy. In Manupatra also, don't find by citation. Search, find by party name. There will be one red flag will be shown there in Manupatra. Here, we need to check this all. Digest notes only. First column, second column. Overall information will be provided here. In cell number 1, 2, 3, here red, one red, in red color, one exclamation sign is there. This is, you just place the cursor here, the word overrule is given. So click here. Sometimes cases, entire case is also overruled by another judgment. Sometimes only a particular point is overruled. Here, information is given. When we click this red symbol, overall information is given here. At last, overruled in KS Putasamy Privacy 9 versus Union of India, 2017, Volume 10, SCC 1. This case is overruled by this Putasami's case, right to privacy case. Another, again, in S. Kasi versus State, 2021, Volume 12, SCC 1. So this is how we can check overrule a particular judgment is overruled or not. Please concentrate on this digest portion. Another, in serial number 7 also, I think this judgment is not overruled totally. Some points are given here. In serial number 3, Constitution of India, Article 19, protection of certain rights, the 7 freedoms, a point is given. So then we need to provide this overruled judgment also. If our superior, our judges are asking to check whether this judgment is overruled or not, so you just need to place the original judgment, which is I have searched Banu Das, Krishna Gaute, plus we need to tell by bringing this 27 volume 10 and 21 volume 12 also. Lordship, in this judgment, these points and these points are overruled by sentences. So that information is must. If we can't provide this, our judges may go to wrong decision. So please help our judges. Always use these facilities. And another, any? Mr. Buddha, I am expecting you. Any query? In Browse legislation, Order 7 Rule 11 is given here. Then in this highlighted portions, object is given, rejection of claim is also given. So we can get related judgments also from here. This is just like in commentary books, some comments are given and we can get citations from there also. You can use this provision also. In this case, Manupata is more easy. In Manupata, we have provisions from X search. When we search case laws by a particular section of a statute can be searched by clicking or putting some sections and name of section, number of section, then section also given there, then judgments also will be available there. Either Supreme Court or High Courts, we can select that also. I will come to. This note is collected from this judgment. Central Bank of India versus Prabha Jain, 2025, Volume 4, SCC 38. But we can choose any case which is relevant for us from this second column. This is how we can search any particular sections, X, of Act or rules in keyword search and another in the browse legislation. This AI Pro is required to be subscribed by paying more. We in our subscription this provision is not available. So these are the main features of SCC Online. When you're free, you can learn from here also SCC Online video tutorials. When you're free, please go through one by one features. Please try yourself. Then you will explore many things. If you don't use, then even the creator teach you, then there will be no use. Main is using practical. That is must. This is now Manupatra. This is the home page of Manupatra. So here we can restricted to some portions for our better results. Yes. Here it's showing search in. Here pre-text is checked. So if we want to focus on only title, then we can select this title. In Boolean operators, auto. Here we are keeping by default in auto mode, or we can use other options also. And near each other, we by default it is in all. If we select this 10, this may be within 10 words. Or suppose we want to search some terms or some phrases, we can minimize our text results area. Here we can check Indian codes, international codes. So please leave this all by default. Keep in default mode. First, menu search. Here, just like in SSC Online, this menu search is Google search. Everything can be searched. For example, I would like to search one case. Earlier I have searched in Nil Kumar Dahal. Nil Kumar Dahal versus state of, leave it, whatever it is. Search here. Here, Nil Kumar Dahal, in first results, Nil Kumar Dahal and others versus Indira Dahal. This is the exact one, but here we are doing one mistake. So, if we know the judgment which is passed by which court, Nil Kumar Dahal is obviously in Sikkim. So we need to select Sikkim High Court on the TOC. TOC means on the left side of the screen, TOC is given. TOC means table of contents. Here please expand this High Court portion and select Sikkim. Then search. Nil Kumar Dahal versus, earlier it was showing Indira. So by selecting Sikkim High Court on the TOC, our search is narrower to specific High Court. Suppose Nil Kumar Dahal name may be in other state also. So in same title is available in other courts also. That results also will come. So we can get confused. To protect it, please select the particular High Court you are searching. Is there any cases? In POCSO cases, the accused was acquitted by the Honorable Supreme Court. So we need to search like this. On the left side, I have checked Supreme Court. So the result will show all judgment of 532 case results is there. Now, I am concentrating on the acquittal. So please here enter text. Out of these judgments, is there any cases of acquittal in POCSO cases? Then, or any topic can be searched from this menu search. This AI facility is not available. Now, legal search. Here, legal search, case law search. Advanced search, under this advanced search by an act, relevant section field. First, for example, appellant or respondent, whether it may be appellant or High Court को full bench को एउटा judgment छ, त्यो झट्टै लिएर आउनुस् भने अब पार्टीको नाम चाहिँ याद छ पनि अलिक राम्रो हुन्छ. म चाहिँ याद थियो छुरेन राई हैन. तर यो रियर केस एकदम रियर हो. हाई कोर्टमा फुल कोर्ट बेन्च कुन चाहिँ केसमा भएको छ यस्तोहरु चाहिँ याद गरिराख्नुस्. I think I'm wrong. This is should be searched in this search by bench. Single bench, 3 judge bench, yeah, full bench. In our High Court, only 3 judge benches is available. So please select 3 judge bench and court, Sikkim High Court. Select the court, judge name. In this case, we not need to know the name of the party. Full bench judgment of High Court is 3 judge bench. So we put 3 judge benches and court, select court, Sikkim High Court, then the result is coming. State of Sikkim versus Surendran. So earlier I have already told you, instead of writing State of Sikkim, please prefer the other particular name. So this is the full bench judgment of the Sikkim High Court. You can easily return it. One more thing is, most of the people in the first page, 10 judgments are given. While you opening a particular judgment, most of the researchers or most people using open this particular judgment by clicking here. Please don't do that. If you click here, then judgment will be open, but you can't go back to this page. For that, you need to search again and after going to manual search. So always open in this box. For example, State of Sikkim versus Surendran. This is here. Another case is also there. That is 21st June 2018 also. So we are going to search it maybe either serial number 2 or either serial number 1. So if we open here, read the judgment, but this is not relevant, then maybe another test 2. For this purpose, we need to come back on this windows. So by opening it from here first, we have read this, but this is not relevant. This first window is also given here. Close this. Now easily we can go to next one. So if I open, so always open from now judgment is open. Then by clicking here back button, it will not work. Another feature is available also. Some judges don't like the judgments reported in Manupatra. So exact copy of the judgment is available here. True copy, true court copy. You can print it from here also. So as I told you, this cannot be written to get our search results page. By typing Hindu here, Hindu Succession Act, I want to search one particular section of Hindu Succession Act. There may be some amendment is there. Under section 6 of Hindu Succession Act, Sikkim High Court delivered 2 judgments. So this is how we can search judgment case laws on a particular section of an statute. So this is result is showing for Sikkim High Court only because I have already selected Sikkim on the table of content. If you want Supreme Court judgment, then instead of selecting this Sikkim, you can select Supreme Court. So officers are may ask for central government, civil services, leave rules. So library may not have latest edition of these rules. So you can, I have selected rule number 5. So only rule number 5 is showing here. So if you need all which sections are required, you can choose one by one from the left side. For example, I need rule 18, 17, any leave account. This is how we can use to search rules direct tax, GST, insolvency, capital gain notification. For example, notification sometimes Special Marriage Act came into force on which date? Maybe it may come such query also. Ministry, I don't know. Department. Extension of Special Marriage Act 1954 to the state of Sikkim. Particular notification SO 3675 is available. Then another appointment of date which shall come into force. So this query may be done in Manu search also. Manupata has given new provision, neutral citation. Nowadays all the high courts and Supreme Court are assigning neutral citation. So nowadays advocates are also relying on that neutral citation. So we can search neutral citation from here also. And then Indian citation, just name of the court. You can select here, then year, then one particular number of neutral citation. If you assign that fill these fields, then that judgment will be available. This Indian citation. Manupata covers lots of law journals. So most of the Indian law journals are available here. You can select any judgment, law journals from here. ACJ, then year 2024, volume number 1, page number 1. Page number 1 may not be the judgment of the passed by the Calcutta High Court. That's why result is not showing. So if you know the citation, exact citation, you can search here. Everything you use this Manupatra or your what are the tasks you have done earlier may be recorded here. So yes, before 2-3 days you have searched something, but you can't remember the exact topic, or today you need to search that again. You can recall from this search history. If you want to search commission reports, your tribunals, or notification and circular is also available here. Please expand this central notification. All the notification and circular year wise are given. You can able to search many things. So regarding bills, please expand here. Bills of parliaments. For example, search any bill. First, 16th Lok Sabha bills introduced or passed by House of Parliament. Specific Relief Amendment Bill 2018. Here, you can see summary only, or as introduced in Lok Sabha, or as passed by Lok Sabha. Which one is our requirement? As per our requirement, we can open here, from here. As passed by Lok Sabha. Regarding any statutes, Manupata also available, all the acts and rules. So for searching that particular statute, you can check. Please expand bare acts. Please check on central. Then put the name of the act. Rights of with disabilities. These persons with disabilities is repealed by Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. So any act can be searched here. Please use this here Manu search, AI search, legal search, citation, search history. Main features are Manu search, legal search and citation. So combining with the table of contents, you can search everything from Manupatra according to our needs. Table of content is very important. So your search will be matched with the table of contents. In searching judgments, it is very easy. If you want Supreme Court judgment, please select Supreme Court. Here also you can narrow by expanding this Supreme Court portion. Please see, I have expanded Supreme Court judgment, Supreme Court order. If it is order, then we can check order here. If it is judgment, we can select here. And for particular High Court, please select the High Court you would like to search. This AI online is on developing stage, progressing. So this is not as much as SSC online and Manupatra. But for true prints of AIR or other journals published by the All India Report Private Limited, this is very useful. Here, nowadays AI search facility is also given. Citation search. Publication name. These are the journals available in AI online. So please select AIR year 2024, full report or note of cases. According to our requirement, we need full report. Then we need to select court. If it is for Supreme Court, then SC. Then page number is for the citation. Suppose I am selected 90. AIR 2024 SC 90 will be searched like this. It comes AIR 2024 SC 90 Vishnu Kumar Shukla versus Uttar Pradesh. Here AIR citation as well as AIR online citation are also given. Here you can print directly here. Single column. Mostly in AIR there are two columns in judgments. AIR in the physical form, two columns are there. So if you want two columns, we can click here and print. Or print with judicial history, that means head notes and all. And print without judicial history, the head note will be deleted. So this is not the true print. For true print, please download PDF, go to this section. For true print, you want without photocopy, instead of photocopying from the book, that may be bulky. While photocopying it, dark portion will be there, very difficult, even in opening also. So you can directly print out from here. Here, true print. Select this. Supreme Court, all High Courts, judgment can be. Latest judgments are given here. AIR online 2026 SK or Sikkim 1. So what the judgments recently delivered by the Honorable High Court of Sikkim can be accessed here also. And not only Sikkim, mainly we need Supreme Court. Secretary State of Karnataka and another versus Uma Devi. This is the one of the important judgments relied by the Honorable advocates in service matter. If you want to search by party name, you can search here. Uma Devi's case, Uma Devi's case. This is the Uma Devi's case. Exact course title is Secretary State of Karnataka and Andhra versus Uma Devi. Regarding public employment. So this is reported in AIR 2006 Supreme Court 1806. So we can get true copy from here. I have shown earlier also. This is how we can use AIR online. I think AIR online is not subscribed by district courts. So instead of going to this in details, please go back to Manupata. Is there any questions? Please assign me one research topic. Exact phrase is not mates because I put it in between double inverted comma. If we use double inverted comma, that should be matched with the judgment exactly. Consent of minor is matched. If it is matched, then we can get words after this phrase. Maybe check. So 131. But I want the judgment delivered by her leadership. In that case, we can refine here. These are the judgments passed by different judges. So, if we want a judgment which is delivered by either Justice Bhaskar or Justice Meenakshi, so we can filter it from here. Let's try for her leadership. Luckily, one is Robin Gurung versus Sir of Sikkim. I think it may be in case POXO. So we can do like this also. First POXO, Tripura, other SC, this all coming because I have not selected the Sikkim High Court. So go back to Manu search. Please select this Sikkim, then POXO. The search query may be like this. In POXO cases, the consent of minor is not consent. Please find some judgments. In this situation, instead of putting all the words, please search like this POXO. First, all the POXO cases of Sikkim will appear. Then refine. Consent of minor. Here. Out of 100 something, now it's narrowed to 45. Then I want her leadership judgment. Name I have defined is, I have written Meenakshi M, that's why these are coming, 29. In some judgments, name of her leadership is are written like this. Or in some cases, full name was written. So that may be different. So you try both the spelling, both the nomenclature. This is how we can define step by step. In one time, don't put everything. Please pick up the main keywords. Then go by defining step by step. Here, in serial number 2, in green color, one SLP is written. This case was filed in the Supreme Court. Then that SLP is also disposed of. If SLP is pending, then this SLP will be shown in red color. Sometimes it's for query also. You judgment say Supreme Court ma SLP karate ki thena check garnus के भएको छ त्यो चाहिँ क्वेरी आउँछ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्टमा चाहिँ कति हाम्रो हाई कोर्टमा चाहिँ पुरा आउँछ त्यस्तोमा चाहिँ सिक्किम अब यो मनुपत्रहरू चाहिँ चलाउनु राम्रो हुन्छ अनि यसको एसएलपी गयो गएन त्यो याद भयो त्यसमा चाहिँ अलिक साह्रो पर्छ कोही कोही बेला यसमा देखाउँदैन त्यहाँदेखि त्यसपछि के गर्नुपर्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ एटलिस्ट सिक्किम हाइकोर्टको जजमेन्ट त याद हुन्छ पार्टीको नाम याद हुन्छ ए भर्सेस बी त्यो चाहिँ एले पनि सुप्रिम कोर्टमा जान सक्छ या बीले पनि जान सक्छ त्यो सुप्रिम कोर्टको वेबसाइटमा गएर चाहिँ फाइन बाई पार्टीको अप्सन हुन्छ त्यसमा चाहिँ दुईपट्टिको नि एक प्रकारको हालेर हामीले ट्राई गर्दै गर्नु पर्यो त्यो ट्राई गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ छ पनि निस्किहाल्छ त्यो गर्दा भयो Suppose you Vindhyachal Baitha. Let's see. यहाँ दिखाउँदैछ एसएलपी डिस्पोज भयो भनेर हैन अनि यो इन्फर्मेसन हामीमा छैन याद छैन हामी सुप्रिम कोर्टमा गएको थियो कि थिएन त्यहाँदेखि त्यो डिस्पेन्डिङ छ कि डिस्पोज भयो कि केही याद छैन जसले सोध्दैछ हामीलाई इन दैट केस प्लिज गो टु सुप्रिम कोर्ट अफ इन्डिया नाम बिर्सिसक्यो जारी गर्नुहोस् ल केस नम्बर डायरी नम्बर केस नम्बर जजमेन्ट डेट here यसमा हैन मेन यसमा हैन केस स्टेटस केस नम्बर ये सब सबै हामी याद छैन पार्टी नेम एनी के थियो विन्ध्याचल इयर चाहिँ याद गर्नु सपोज यो सिक्किम हाइकोर्टमा 24 मा भयो भनेपछि सिक्किम हाइकोर्टको इयर चाहिँ हामीले याद हुन्छ किनभने हाइकोर्टमा सिक्किम हाइकोर्टमा यो केस कहिले पास भएको थियो त्यो त याद हुन्छ नि तर यो 31 जुलाई 2024 मा जजमेन्ट डिलिभर भयो सुप्रिम कोर्टमा कहिले जान सक्छ 24 मै हुन सक्छ हैन त्यही कारणले हामीले यहाँ अलिकति त्यो कमन सेन्स लगाएर 24 हाल्दियो स्टेटस पहिला डिस्पोजमा हेर्दा हुन्छ पेन्डिङमा हेर्नुहुन्छ तर अहिले चाहिँ हामीले डिस्पोज भएको छ याद भयो नि त्यही कारणले अहिले चाहिँ टाइम सेभिङको लागि डिस्पोजमै हालिदियो अंदाज पहले का सही नहीं हुआ क्योंकि जुलाई में पास हुआ अगस्त से जा सकता है नहीं गया वो थोड़ा लेट गया 25 में गया व्यू delay condone we are not inclined to interfere with the impugned judgment and order of the high court hence the special review is dismissed ये तो हाई कोर्ट के लिए अच्छा भी हुआ है ना हाई कोर्ट का जजमेंट अभेल हो गया ऐसे ही हामीले यो कपी दिखाउँ मुखले भन्नु हुँदैन यो गरेर लानुहोस् प्रुफ दिखाउनुहोस् यसरी सर्च गर्नुपर्छ खाली अनलाइन एआर मरुपत्र एसएससी अनलाइन त्यसले मात्रै हुँदैन सुप्रिम कोर्टको वेबसाइट पनि पुरा त्यो गर्नुपर्छ हामीले चलाउनुपर्छ कतिवटा यसमा मात्रै हुन्छ यस्तो यसरी जति एभाइलेबल छ त्यो कम्बाइनली हामीले चलाएर चाहिँ जे क्वेरी आउँछ त्यो हामीले त्यो गर्दै गर्नु पर्यो अन्त मात्रै हामीलाई अलिक वर्कलोड अलिक बढ्छ विश्वास बढ्छ त्यो ट्रस्ट एउटा आउँछ ए जानेको छ भनेर अलिकति फ्रेङ्कली इज्जत पनि आउँछ ए उसलाई नभन्नु केही जान्दैन त्यस्तो त्यो भन्दा त अलिक आएकै ठिक छ नि होइन 4:30-5 बजेको पनि थाहा हुँदैन अलिक त्यस्तो काम आयो भने यसरी चलाउनु पर्छ इभन डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्टको एक दुईजनाले हाई कोर्टको वेबसाइट पनि राम्रो प्रकारले युज गर्नु सकेको छैन त्यो पनि अलिकति देखाउँछु म अहिले हाम्रो हाई कोर्टको वेबसाइट पनि वान अफ द लिगल डाटाबेस भइसकेको छ यसमा कतिवटा कुरा छ मेन नयाँ नोटिफिकेसन रुल्स नोटिफिकेसन सर्कुलर सबै अपलोड गरेको छ यहाँ मोरमा क्लिक गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ जति अपलोड छ त्यो आइहाल्छ त्यहाँबाट सर्च गरेर अलिकति टाइम चाहिँ लाग्छ तर रिसर्च चाहिँ गर्नु पर्यो त्यो नगरिकन डाइरेक्ट यस्तो सर्कुलर एउटा छ अरे प्लिज भनेर क्वेरी पनि आउँछ कि त्यो चाहिँ नगरिदिनु भनेको होइन अलिकति यस्तो फेसिलिटिजहरू पनि युज गर्नुहोस् भन्ने मैले रिक्वेस्ट गरेको त्यहाँदेखि अर्को यहाँ रुल्स यो रुल्समा जुडिसियल अफिसरहरूले चाहिने रुल 3टा चाहिँ एकदम अप टु डेट हालिरहेको छ हामीले जुडिसियल सर्भिस रुल्स यसमा क्लिक गर्नुहोस् Judicial officers, allowances, amenities, advances, rules 2004. यो चाहिँ चाहिन्छ इन्केसमेन्ट के अलाउन्सहरू सबै यसमा हुन्छ हैन त एउटा जुडिशियल अफिसरले उहाँको लागि टाइम पुग्यो एप्लिकेसन लेख्दैछ त्यो रुल लिएर आउँछ भन्यो भने यहाँबाट डाइरेक्ट यसमा भ्यूमा गएर क्लिक गरेर यो एमेन्डेड पाउँछ यो एमेन्डेड हो त्यहाँदेखि यहाँ यो यसको एउटा पर्टिकुलर रुल चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ एमेन्डमेन्टले सब्स्टिट्युट गरेको थियो कुन चाहिँ एमेन्डमेन्टले हालेको थियो त्यसको लागि क्वेरी आए पनि यो एमेन्डिङ रुल्स भनेको छ नि यसमा क्लिक गर्नुस् अहिलेसम्म 2004 लास्टको चाहिँ पेरेन्ट रुल्स फर्स्टको रुल छ 2004 को त्यो हो त्यसको बादमा सब्सिक्वेन्ट एमेन्डमेन्ट्सहरू पर्टिकुलरली हामीले 1 by 1 हालेको छ अन्त कुन सालको चाहियो यसमा क्लिक गर्दा सपोज 24 को चाहियो भने 24 को क्लिक गर्दा त्यो पाइहाल्छ यस्तो चाहिँ युज गर्नुस् त्यहाँदेखि यहाँ डिस्ट्रिक्ट एन्ड सेसन जजेसको सुपेरियरको सिजिएमको माथिकोहरूको यो रुल्स 1980 फर्स्टको चाहिँ एमेन्डेड हो यसमा पनि कति एमेन्डमेन्ट भएको छ यो सबै हामीले हालेको छ यहाँबाट हामीले सबै पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ त्यहाँदेखि सिजिएमसम्मको यहाँ जुडिसियल सर्भिस रुल्स यस्तो थुप्रो चिज हाइकोर्टको वेबसाइट पनि पाउँछ त्यहाँदेखि यहाँ अरू अदर रुल्समा स्पेसिफिकली अरूमा नहालेको अरू के यहाँ सबै हालेको छ यहाँबाट पनि हामीले कतिवटा पाउन सक्छ त्यहाँदेखि सिक्किम अल लोज सिक्किम कोड भोल्युम 1 देखि लिएर 6 सम्मको सबै हालेको छ यस्तो चिजहरू चाहिँ युज गरिदिनुस् जजमेन्टको लागि पनि यहाँ सजिलो बनाइदिएको छ इभन न्युट्रल साइटेसन पनि सर्च गर्न सक्छ हामीले जति जजमेन्ट हामीले न्युट्रल साइटेसन एसाइन गरेकोहरू चाहिँ सर्चको अप्सन यहाँ छ यहाँ जजमेन्ट फाइनल अर्डर्स केस नम्बर याद छ पनि सर्च गर्दा भयो पार्टीको नेम एडभोकेटको नामधरि हामीले सर्च गर्दा हुने रहेछ फाइनल अर्डर यसमा मन्थ याद छ नाम पनि टाइटल पनि याद छ कुन सालको यो चाहिँ फ्रम डेट टु डेट छ त्यो एउटा रेन्ज दिएर गर्नु पनि सक्छ फेरि मन्थ वाइज सर्च गर्दा पनि भयो यो सालको सपोज 2023 को जजमेन्ट चाहिँ थियो भनेर याद भयो मन याद भएन तर अलिकति टाइम चाहिँ लाग्छ हाम्रो त जनवरी फेब्रुअरीको जजमेन्टै हुँदैन भेकेसनले गर्दा अन्त फेब्रुअरीमा अलिकति एक दुईवटा हुन सक्छ मार्चदेखि लिएर डल्लै यो मन्थ एक क्लिक गरेर मैले रिसर्च भन्दा अलिकति पेसेन्ट लिएर कामली गर्नुहोस् भइहाल्छ छ पनि छैन भन्ने उपाय छैन कहाँबाट राम्रो होइन होइन मेथड छ एउटा फ्रेज या क्वेसन दियो एउटा त्यो एक्ज्याक्ट त्यो हाल्दा पनि भएन तर हामीले दिमागमा यो राख्नु पर्यो इङ्ग्लिस त मभन्दा दामी होला कि मिनिङ छ नि त्यो चाहिँ राख्नुहोस् सेम जुन चाहिँ सर्च टेक्स्ट छ नि अलिकति यताउता आफै पनि मिलाएर सर्च गर्नुपर्छ जे भनेको छ त्यही वर्ड मात्रै हालेर नि सर्च गर्दा नि कोही बेला प्रब्लम हुन्छ मलाई पनि यो फेस गरेको छ कतिकै जजेसले दिन्छ तर त्यही हाल्दा त आउँदैन दिमाग तातिसक्यो होइन तर भए पनि अलिकति यताउता कन्भर्ट गरेर मिनिङ चाहिँ त्यो राखेर चाहिँ सर्च गर्दा जे बनेको छ त्यो यसमा चाहिँ यस्तो लेखेको रहेछ भनेर देखाउँदाखेरि जजेसहरू पनि खुसी नै हुन्छ कोही बेला उहाँले सोचेको चाहिएको चाहिँ एक प्रकारको हुन्छ फेरि त्यो कोही बेला त्यो हुन्छ कि एक्ज्याक्ट त्यो फ्रेज या त्यो चाहिँ जजमेन्टमा छ भने त पाइहाल्छ सजिलो छ त्यो जजेसहरू पनि त्यो एक्ज्याक्ट फ्रेज त्यो दे आर सो ह्युमन बिइङ समटाइम एक्ज्याक्ट त्यो याद गर्नु सक्दैन होला तर मिनिङ चाहिँ याद हुन्छ नि त्यही प्रकारले बनेको हुन्छ त्यही कारण हामीले पनि यताउता अलिकति त्यो यो लो ग्रेजुएटहरुको लागि चाहिँ त्यति प्रब्लम हुँदैन होला कि हामी लो नपढ्नेहरुलाई चाहिँ अलिकति प्रब्लम हुन्छ दिगजतामा हामीले याद हुँदैन त्यसमा चाहिँ आफै पनि अलिकति त्यो रिजनिङ विथ रिजनिङ त्यो गरेर मिलाएर सर्च गर्नुहोस् पाइहाल्छ एटलिस्ट यस्तो हुनुपर्छ भनेको जजमेन्ट चाहियो हुँदैन भनेको पनि पाउँछ हामीले सर्च गर्दा हैन तर हामीले जजले चाहेको त्यो मात्रै फोकस गर्नु भएन नि त्यो पाए पनि दिनु पर्यो पाएन पनि जुन चाहिँ नेगेटिभ जान्दैछ नि जुन चाहिँ क्वेरी छ त्यसको नेगेटिभ जान्दैछ नि त्यो पनि देखाउँदा के हुँदैन रोडसिपले या लिडरसिपले या जज साहबले तपाईले यस्तो यस्तो भन्नुभएको थियो तर मैले सर्च गर्दाखेरि त यस्तो खालको चाहिँ पाएन यस्तो चाहिँ पायो भनेर त्यो पोइन्ट चाहिँ उहाँको एगेन्स्टमा त जान्छ तर भए पनि सुप्रिम कोर्टले यस्तो यस्तो भन्दैछ भनेर देखाउँदा पनि हुन्छ के हुँदैन त्यो माई एक्सपिरियन्समा चाहिँ म लो ग्रेजुएट होइन लाइब्रेरी साइन्सको प्रोफेसनल लाइब्रेरियन हो लाइब्रेरियनको पोस्टमा लागेको अहिले जोइन पुगेको छ लोको एबिसी याद थिएन मलाई अन्त यहाँ आएर सिक्यो कतिवटा कुरा जान्यो अहिले रिसर्च असिस्टेन्ट पनि छ एपोइन्ट भयो राम्रो भयो एकदम खुसी लाग्यो एक जमानामा थिएन जबरजस्ती मलाई रिसर्च गराएर सिकेको त्यो काम गरेर युज गरेर यसरी नै सिक्छ अन्त त्यतिकै यो फिचर सबै याद छ आइडी पनि दियो किन्यो सालको तर अरु काममा इन्गेज गरियो यो चाहिँ कहिले नखोलेर युजै नगरे भने इम्प्रुभ हुँदैन अचानक एउटा रिसर्च टपिक दिँदाखेरि त ए भगवान भनेर त्यो फर्स्टमै भगवानको नाम लिनु थाल्छ किनभने नचलाएर एक्सपिरियन्स नलिएर हैन त्यही कारणले चाहिँ अलिकति काम चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ सिन्सियरली गर्नुस् तर प्रिपेयर हुनु पर्यो नि आफै पनि अनि त्यस्तो चाहिँ गरे पनि सक्सेस पनि हुन्छ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्टबाट अलिकति क्वेरी के छैन त रिसर्च वर्कहरु दिँदैन सुन्दै
यो एआर अनलाइन डाटाबेसमा चाहिँ सर हामीले जुन चाहिँ यो सिआरएलजे एआरहरु
सबै पाउँछ सबै
पाउँछ कि त्यसमा चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ यसको लागि चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुपर्छ सर यो
सेम
किन हाम्रो कोर्टमा चाहिँ यो प्रोभिजन छैन कि सर अन्त
एससीसी अनलाइन भन्नुपर्दा जस्तो सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुपर्छ एससीसी अनलाइन गर्नुपर्दा त हामीले अफर प्राइसमा जुडिशियल प्राइसमा अफर प्राइसमा अलिक सस्तो पाइरहेको छ एआर अनलाइनहरु चाहिँ अलिक महँगो हुन्छ 20,000 त्यस्तो
किनभने यो चाहिँ अलिक युजफुल किन लाग्यो भनेपछि सर यसमा चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ यो स्पेशली सिआरआरले एआइआरहरु चाहिँ 1950 देखिको अबको मात्रै छ हाम्रो कोर्टमा हो त्यहाँदेखिको मुनिको चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ उयो खोज्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ प्रब्लम हुन्छ कि त्यो बुक्सहरु कि त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो चाहिँ एक्सेस भयो चाहिँ हाम्रो सजिलो हुन्थ्यो भनेर
सिआरएलजेहरु एससीसी अनलाइनमा पनि पाउँछ मनुपत्रमा पनि पाउँछ एससीसी अनलाइनमा पनि
सर सिआरएलजेको चाहिँ कतिवटा केसेसहरु मैले सर पाएन कि सर मनुपत्रमा मैले खोजेकै हो कि सर
एससीसी अनलाइनमा चाहिँ पाएको थियो तर मैले अस्ति त्यो पठाएँ हैन सिआरएलजेकै किताबबाट त्यो गरेँ र पाउनु चाहिँ एससीसी अनलाइनमा पनि पाउँछ सिआरएलजेको तर सबै सब्स्क्राइब गरेपछि त एक्सपेन्सिभ पनि हुन्छ तर एक दुईवटा जर्नलको मात्रै हामीले अहिले दुनियाँभरको अनलाइन डाटाबेस निस्केको छ लिगल सिडिजे लो जर्नल सबै अहिले जुन चाहिँ प्रोप्राइटरी साइटेसन लो जर्नल पब्लिस गर्नेहरु चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ सबै अनलाइनमा कन्भर्ट हुँदैछ किनभने मार्केटमा कम्पिटिसन चाहिँ त्यो अनलाइनको आएन जमाना त्यो सबै त्यो हामीले त्यो किनेर सब्स्क्राइब गरेपछि त युज गर्ने टाइम पनि हुँदैन प्लस एक्सपेन्सिभ हुन्छ फेरि बजेटको कुरा यो पनि चाहियो त्यो पनि चाहियो अब्जेक्सन पनि आउँछ त्यही कारणले एक एउटा राम्रो बेस चुज गरेर त्यसमै चलाउँदा पनि राम्रो भयो तर एआई अनलाइनको बदलीमा मैले चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ एसएससी अनलाइन छैन भने एसएससी अनलाइन गर्नुहोस्। यो चाहिँ माई अन ओपिनियन। एआईको मान्छेले सुन्ने पनि मार्छ। फ्री चाहिँ हामीले त्यति देखेको छैन। ट्रायल बेसिसमा 1-2 दिन दिन्छ, तर त्यो के गर्नु? ट्रायल बेसिसको त्यो फ्री मात्रै खोजेको फेरि त्यो बानी गरेर किन्नु मन लाग्छ, फेरि किन्नु दिएको छैन, झन् मन दुख्दैन। एउटा त्यो लुगा किन्नु मन परेर किन्नु नसकेको जस्तो हुन्छ नि। त्यो इच्छा चाहिँ हुन्छ, फेरि एफोर्ड गर्नु पायो त्यो सकिन भने प्रब्लम हुन्छ। गुगल पनि पुरा हेल्पफुल हुन्छ हामीलाई। पर्मिसन दियो, पर्मिसन म एक्सपोज गर्छु ल। सिक्किम हाइकोर्टको एउटा जजमेन्ट सुप्रिम कोर्टमा एसएलपी गएको थियो। त्यो एसएलपीको अर्डर चाहियो। बुधको क्वेरी थियो, बुधले मलाई मेरोबाट हेल्प लियो। त्यसमा चाहिँ बुधले भन्यो मनुपत्रमा छैन। मैले सोध्यो पार्टीको नाम, तर लकिली मनुपत्रमा मैले त्यो पार्टीको नाम हालेर सर्च गरेँ। त्यो पार्टीको नाम हालेर सर्च गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ मनुपत्रमा एउटा पाएँ। त्यो अर्डरमा चाहिँ सुप्रिम कोर्टकै अर्डर, केसको टाइटल लेखियो पिटिसन नम्बर सो लेखियो। मनुपत्रको मिस्टेक एउटा छ, त्यस भेट्यो मैले। त्यसमा खासमा रहेछ ट्रान्सफर पिटिसन रहेछ, तर उसको मनुपत्रमा जुन चाहिँ देखाएको छ त्यसमा चाहिँ पिटिसन मात्रै लेखिएको। नम्बर पायो, नम्बर चाहिँ लकिली नम्बर चाहिँ राइट थियो। तर मैले त्यो अघि मैले देखाएँ नि सुप्रिम कोर्टको वेबसाइटमा, डेली अर्डर्समा गयो, त्यहाँ केस नम्बर हाल्दाखेरि चाहिँ केसको जुन चाहिँ नोमेनक्लेचर छ नि, एसएलपी, सिभिल अपिल या त्यही सेलेक्ट गर्नु म सकेन। किनभने यहाँ त पिटिसन मात्रै लेखेको छ। ट्रान्सफर पिटिसन हो कि सिभिल अपिल हो कि के छ नि, त्यो स्पेसिफिक थिएन। त्यही कारणले मलाई अलिकति 5 मिनट जस्तो टाइम लाग्यो। 1 by 1 मैले जुन चाहिँ मेरो एक्सपेक्टेसन छ नि, यो नोमेनक्लेचर यो टाइपको केस होला भनेर सर्च गर्दा लास्टमा ट्रान्सफर पिटिसनमा पाएँ। ट्रान्सफर पिटिसनमा त्यो नम्बर हालेर सर्च गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ निस्क्यो। त्यही कारणले चाहिँ मैले के युज गर्यो, मनुपत्र युज गर्यो, त्यहाँबाट केस नम्बर पायो। तर त्यसमा दिएको अर्डर त फर्स्टको एउटा इस्यु नोटिस टाइपको थियो, त्यसले त सेटिस्फाई भएन। फाइनल अर्डर चाहियो मलाई त बुधलाई। अन्त त्यो फाइनल अर्डरको लागि चाहिँ मैले सुप्रिम कोर्टको वेबसाइटमा फेरि गएर चाहिँ सुप्रिम कोर्टको वेबसाइटमा त्यो केस नम्बर त्यहाँदेखि त्यो त्यसमा केसको टाइप चाहिँ एक्ज्याक्ट थाहा नभएर चाहिँ अलिकति टाइम लाग्यो। त्यसमा सर्च गरेर चाहिँ त्यसमा पाइहाल्यो। त्यही प्रकारले चाहिँ हामीले कम्बाइनली युज गर्नुपर्छ, एउटामा मात्रै डिपेन्ड गर्नु हुँदैन। त्यो यताको सोर्स अर्कोमा हालेर त्यस्तो गर्दै चलाउनुपर्छ।